this DJI Osmo Pocket blogging camera, and definitely I will show you the unboxing and the picture quality and the video footage quality in my next vlog. So please stay tuned.
Okay, so as I mentioned, let's start unboxing this cute little camera. I purchased it from Amazon while great Indian festival sale, and before purchasing this I have done a lot of research just to ensure that okay, I'm getting the right product. What I understand from different reviews and different YouTube videos that this camera comes with a gimbal, and that's the reason that this camera has a rock solid stabilization of videos. In fact, some of the videos are claiming even it is a better than GoPro, because GoPro is using software to stabilize the videos and images, but this camera has inbuilt gimbal, gives added advantage of image stabilization. So let's see that what's inside the box.
So one important factor while purchasing DJI Osmo Pocket, you have to ensure that you are getting the latest product. Okay, so for me, if you see the month and year report of September 2021, so I got the review in Amazon that some people are getting the manufactured in 2019. So you got to be careful and just check this particular factor. Rest all are good.
Okay, so the first thing is that there are a couple of manuals been given here. There's a strap, and inside this cute little packet I think we have charger and adapters for iPhone and for Android. So let's open the camera now. So this comes with a little cute cover. Just to inform you guys that there is a small display given here. So as you can see that I need to set this camera up. The notes are coming as is not activated, so for that I need a software need to be downloaded into my phone, and from there I have to plug this camera in and set the device up. Okay, so inside the box you will find a couple of manuals. So one of the manual is asking me to download a DJI MIMO application, and once you scan this QR code it will take you to DJI MIMO application website, and from there you have to download a file. The file looks a little heavy, it's almost 350 MB, which needs to be installed. So I'm going to install it and come back to you.
To save time, I already actually downloaded it. I already have downloaded this Android APK app, and I have installed it. So I'll just quickly show you that how. So here if you can see the DJI MIMO app. So there are multiple functions in the MIMO app. I will take you through later, but once you plug in here, it will automatically ask you to update the firmware. Please be sure that you have the latest firmware installed.
Okay, so I have done the setup. I have downloaded the software and I have updated the settings and the features inside this cute little camera. So if you see, there is a connector. It has been given here, so you have to connect it using this port to your mobile, and your mobile software will automatically update the camera features. So let's see how the interface. And once you connect this camera to your mobile, so automatically it will authenticate the device. It will take at least 2 to 3 minutes before it gives you the access to, or I would say that activate the camera. Let's turn it on and let's see how the device looks like. All right, so let's see the navigation. So navigation, you have pretty smooth. You have photo, videos, slow motion, time lapse, panorama. Okay, as of now there is no SD card, so that's why it is detecting me again and again. I cannot upgrade the firmware because for that it needs a SD card to be installed. So there are 4 ways you can do that navigation. So one is this way, you can get this option. One is top down, that is there you will get settings, battery, all other features like storage, accessories and details. Okay, if you tilt towards left to right, so you will get to see that your recording files. If you swipe top, then you will get some features which are whether it is a selfie mode or something like that. So see, let's now go to the selfie mode. All right, so this looks like navigation is really quick and it's flawless. So once I get the SD card, probably I will resume the testing of this camera. As I said, this camera is capable of recording at 4K resolution video. For that you need to have a really high speed SD card. None of the videos are talking about this requirement. So therefore you got to be really careful while purchasing this SD card. So the SD card, if you look at very closely, that I got, which is 128 GB, and it is mentioned a small U3, and this is a speed of 160 Mbps of read and 90 Mbps of write. So this kind of SD card you need in order to get a very smooth 4K video resolution. So if you see, here is the SD card slot and your card will go like this. Okay, press with your nails a little bit. Yeah, it's locked. Now let's see, let's turn on and see that whether it is reading it or not. Absolutely, if you see, here is 109.
That's it for today's video, guys. I will have real-time video and photo comparison in my next vlog. Till then, please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel to see the next real-time video comparison. And I'll leave with you some footage from DJI Osmo website, so you can see the features of this camera in a better manner. See you in next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.